Hi, this is Amitava and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you what is database, what is SQL and how MySQL works. So, let's start with the content. Okay, so what is database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system, and a database is usually controlled by a system called database management system. And data and most databases use the structured query language for writing and querying the data. So for this we have to understand that what is a database management system. A database typically requires a comprehensive database software program known as a database management system. So what is DBMS? DBMS in short form, for the a database management system in short form is called as DBMS. DBMS serves as an interface, okay, between the database and its end user or program. So in between, DBMS works. It allows the users to retrieve, update and manage how the information is organized and optimized, and it also facilitates the control of the database and enabling variety of administration. Okay, so there are two types of the database. One is the relational database and another one is the non-relational database or NoSQL. So what is relational database? Relational database is the database which is in an organized way, and which is in the when the data are stored in the table format, then we call this as the relational database. So there are some relation between the various tables. So in a database there may be a lot of tables, and if all the tables contain some relation in between them, then it is called the relational database, and every table contains some columns and rows. Okay, and what is NoSQL database or non-relational database? A NoSQL or non-relational database allows unstructured and semi-structured data to be stored and manipulated in the database. Okay, and there will be no relational database, and all the data are not stored in non-relational database in a table format. So there will be no table concept. Okay, so for this reason, now I want to teach that what is SQL. SQL is a programming language used by the relational database to query, manipulate, and define the data and to provide the access control. It is a standard language used to communicate with database, and SQL is used to perform the task on the database. So these are the various flavors of the RDBMS, that is MySQL, Oracle, and SQL Server. Almost all of the syntax for writing the query is same in this flavor, but the flavors are different. So I will be using the MySQL all over this course. Now, what is MySQL? MySQL is an open source relational database management system based on SQL. It was designed and optimized for web applications and can run on any platform. It's designed to process millions of queries and thousands of transactions. It was designed and optimized for web application, as I said, and for very large companies, lots of data can be processed. So that's on that company we use the MySQL. So MySQL is the DBMS behind some of the top websites and web-based applications in the world, including Uber, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So friends, what is the correct pronunciations, SQL or SQL? So at first, when SQL was developed by IBM at 1970, then it was called as SQL. SQL means the structured English query language. But later it was found that SQL is the trademark of a company, and then it changes its names. Now it's called SQL, but mostly for the English speaking country it is says as SQL, but You can say it as SQL or SQL. It's totally your choice. Okay, thank you. So I have put my best effort to create the more comprehensive SQL course for you, and I would really appreciate it if you would support my hard work by liking and sharing my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.